Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sheila and Steph, and today I'm going to do a DIY hair color. And if you like these types of videos, please keep on watching. And for those who are new to our channel, thank you so much for finding us here on YouTube. So please keep on watching. And so as promised, I'm going to be coloring my hair today. I'm going to be using a Japanese brand and I'm so excited to use it because it's going to be fun. It's a whip foam type of color. It has a really cute packaging. Mapapabili talaga kayo guys. Easy application. You don't need to go to the salon anymore. And you know naman guys, if you've been following me for a while na, I've been changing a lot my hair, my hairstyle, my color. I've been changing it a lot from going blonde, from going like half na shaved, going full black, everything. I've been doing all sorts of colors and I've never tried this color palette. That's why I chose this, and it's the Beautylabo in cherry pink. This is actually available in Watsonsph, guys, nationwide. So it's available there. It's around like $399, 300 something. But I saw that it's on sale sa website ng Watsonsph. It's like $349 or something. I'm not sure, but you can look it up. So it's available on all Watsonsph Philippines. So what I got is the cherry pink. It's something that I've never tried pa na kulay because I've never liked mga red na mga kulay before, but I'm willing to try it out right now. It shows here a few colors na parang kung ano yung results, color results when you put it on. There's the before and after na pictures. Pag ganito ka light yung buhok nyo or ganito ka dark, this will be the outcomes on yung sa baba. So let's check out what's inside this cute little packaging. I'm so excited. This is my first time to open this also. So here it is. Ooh! Sobrang cute niya guys. It's like parang siyang milkshake na tumbler. So it's so cute. I'm so excited to try this out. Oh my god, kung ako din makikita ko to sa Watson's, mapapabili din talaga ako. It's so cute. I think you can reuse this for like something else. Like, wag naman drinks ha, but you can actually use this for like your brushes, for storing your brushes, or just like anything, mga knickknacks. But don't drink from it. So yes, it's so cute. So what comes with it is this one. It's the Beautylabowhip Hair Color Developer. So this is the one. Another is the colorant in cherry pink. I think ito yung nagpapakulay ng buhok. So it's the colorant. Instructions. So cute, pink and black, all my favorite colors. So ayan siya, instructions. And this is after color treatment. It's all in Japanese, so I can't really read it. But that's what it looks like. And this is a small box. I think this is the gloves. Yeah, it's the gloves. Yeah, it's in a cute little box. Woo! There. So that's the gloves. So that's it for everything. So another thing that we'll be needing is a towel. I don't have one of those parang yung mga capes sa salon. So I'm just gonna use an old towel. Ito. Gawin natin ganyan lang. So anyway, this is my first time to be using the whip foam na hair color. So let's read the instructions. First is to take this cup and ilalagay daw yung developer tsaka yung colorant. I wish you guys can see it. Maghanap nga ako ng something na patungan. So ayan, you guys can see it na. I just grabbed a few books sa likod ko. Ginawa ko na lang siyang patungan. So yan. So let's open the colorant tsaka yung developer. So next up is to close the cap firmly. Like make sure it parang nasa along the lines siya. Make sure na hindi siya mag-spill when you shake it. So what we do now is how to get the perfect whipped foam. Shake the mixing shaker 30 times strongly with both hands. Continue to shake mixing shaker. We are going to put on my towel na. So, kanina naligo na ako. I just didn't put conditioner on. So, because that's what they usually say. Pag magpapakulay ka, never put conditioner on because it makes it oily daw. Parang hindi ka kapit yung kulay. So, I just use shampoo. Just a regular shampoo. So, yeah. Let's start. Oh my god, this is so fun to put on. This is my first time to use a whip foam na kulay. Ooh, this is so fun. It's so foamy. It's so cute. And you know what's nice about this Beautylabo, guys, is that every kit that you buy comes with a honey and rose water and fruit extracts to moisturize your hair as well. So that's really good. It's a plus. So we're just gonna leave this on for like 30 minutes and just wait. Easier to do it at home. You can wash your hair. You can pwede ka na maligo after. Like sa salon, maliligo ka pa, mag-aayos ka pa, puntang salon, diba? So with this one, you can just stay home, mix it, shake it, put it on, ligo ka, tapos, diba? Solve yung problems mo, hair color problems mo. And it's cheaper pa, diba? It's like $3.99 lang or something, and it's on sale. I saw it on their Watsonsph na online. It's on sale. I mean, this color is on sale. It's like around $3.49 or something. So yan, 30 minutes is up and we are here. Tapos na ako maligo. Medyo struggle yun kasi may eye makeup ako. May makeup ako sa mukha ko. So medyo struggle yun. Nakagano, tapos gumagano na yung yung tubig papunta sa mata ko kasi I had to like wash it like all the way like upside down kasi syempre naman bahay to, di ba? Wala tayong mga higa-higa na guys sa salon. So ayan. Kaya yan, yung eye makeup ko, medyo nagkabulingit na gid siya. So, laban pa rin. Let's see what it looks like. So, let's just dry it up. I think I'm loving this. Wait. So, ayan na yung finished look natin, guys. It's red. It's cherry pink. That's the color. Cherry pink. If you like it, don't forget, it's the cherry pink na kulay. So, it says here na if you have very light color, you're more likely to achieve the color. So, I had very light hair. Kasi medyo kumukupas na yung kulay ko dati. So, I think I really achieved what it says here, which is the cherry pink. So, ayan. Actually, inspiration ko talaga si Black Widow eh. I hope you guys like this DIY hair color. It's by Beautylabowhipphilippines. And so far, I really like it. I'd love to try the other colors. To check out more of these colors. Actually, ang dami nilang kulay na pipilian, guys. There's olive green, there's light blonde or something. Yung mga usual na kinukulay ko sa buhok ko, like, it's all there. If tinatamad ako mag-salon, I'm just gonna use this. Mag-hoard din ako and use it at home. It's much easier and it's fun because it's whipful. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. Thank you so much.
Mommy, I flew in.